Hello guys, so in this video we will talk about our module that is Helpdesk ticket management, right? So basically, Helpdesk management will be used to fulfill customer complaints, right, to provide them better service and for their organizational growth, right, to provide them different kinds of satisfactory feedback. We will basically use the Helpdesk ticket management module, by which we can bifurcate different kinds of tickets, right, according to their different criteria, like like hardware based of tickets, software based of tickets, different queries, right. We can assign these all tickets to different kinds of technician teams, like hardware management team, software management team, telephonic conversations related teams, and will be easily manage each and every inquiry for different fields related clients. All right, so as you can see that this is module's description, and these are some key features are defined, right. Dynamic ticket configurations for different team type with priority and stages, ticket auto assigned to team as configured on type, option to show or hide team on the dashboard, right. And here it is also providing the dashboard functionality, by which default configurations will be provided on different kinds of technical teams. That is, either you want to display these teams on the dashboard or not. So like these kinds of configurations we can easily able to define there. Now, auto generated unique serial number for each and every ticket we can easily configure accordingly. Option to send an automated email to customers when a ticket status will be get changed, like it is now in troubleshooting, it is now is cancelled, it is now resolved, like that. So customer will be automatically get notified by different dynamic configured email templates. All right, now next functionality, next key feature is related to that assign ticket priority and with a situated deadline, right. Easy to track ticket status, their progress with the latest updates, easy to analyze ticketing records with analysis reports and print option, attractive tree view for ticket, and different other views are also there, like form, kanban, calendar, or pivot view, right. Support user technician can communicate with customer using chatters, right. They can easily able to communicate with customers, and if they also want to add some attachments, then they can easily able to proceed with that, right. And organize ticket as per ticket type by dynamic different kinds of stages, right. So these are basic key features about our module, and our module is compatible with Odoo Community Edition. All right, now let's proceed at the module's functionality over here. So as you can see that this is a one dashboard is provided, in which we can be able to summarize all the teams that we have bifurcated across different field wise. Like some team will be like a renovation team, finishing team, interior designing team, commercial COR team, technical team. So these kinds of different teams can be easily collected at one place, and each and related tickets, their teams related separated ticket status, the manager will be easily able to define that and easily able to see. So like this, all teams related different summaries we can easily able to see on the dashboard. Now we will go to the configuration and show you something like different kinds of tags we can also define, like suppose this product related ticket is which kind of tags, like furniture, electronic, hardware, software, computer, and electronics. So this kind of tags we can easily able to create over here, and on different tickets, while generating them, we can be easily able to define over those tickets also, right. Just same like this, there will be different types. So different types of tickets can be there, like sell, general, question, or issue. So based on this ticket type, we will define this over here, and whenever this type related tickets will be get generated, then it will come in which stages. So this basically these stages related configurations we can easily define, right. Like this closing kanban stages, like all this kind of configuration we can easily define over here. Okay, now next thing is related to teams. So here we can easily able to bifurcate different teams, like different build team, hardware related team, software related team, and in which we will be able to define like a parent team. If some parent and child criteria will be also there, so we can easily define parent and child related hierarchy. Then here we can define a team leader, and this is one option that when we will enable this, then we can be easily able to see these all teams in a dashboard, right? We can also able to set email alias for particular team, and here we will be able to define different team members. So like this we can be able to bifurcate different teams for different requirements, right? And these are the stages. So basically these stages configurations we can do over here, right? There are different names of the stages we can configure, all right, like this. Okay, and these are email templates. So basically like when a new ticket request will be get generated, so which kind of email template you want to send to your customers, right? So this kind of basically we have provided these 4 kinds of email templates when a new ticket request will be created, when we a ticket request will be get resolved, when a ticket will be get assigned to a particular team member, and then when anybody will cancel the ticket request. Then according to the configured email templates, it will be automatically get sent when this event will occur, right? Then now let's go to tickets, right? And here you will be able to see different stages as per the configuration done, and different tickets are generated over here. Kanban view is there, and this is ticket information we have provided, and by clicking on create we will be able to generate a new ticket. Okay, here we have to assign them to a particular team and the related person. We can easily define that, and here we will define the customer and all the contact related information. All right, now we can also print this ticket and see it. Okay, so you can be able to see this is print ticket, and all of these information like customer name and the rest of part, ticket information, description, we can easily able to print them out, right? Now next thing is related to the customer. So customer is we have also provided the reference of the customer. So basically by here clicking on create button, we can be able to create a new customer, right? Now let's go again with this this ticket menu, and we will be also able to see that a list view we have also provided, a calendar view we have also provided, right? So as per you can see, as per the week type, we will be also able to generate this ticket by day wise, by week wise, as you can see, by different month wise, right? Like this, and by different a yearly, for a yearly duration also we can just select them, and by clicking on that we will be easily able to generate a new ticket directly here. And analytical view we have also provided, in which we have provided different measurements, right? And here but just by clicking on dynamic filters we will be also able to generate analytical so a pivot view will be also provided, right? So here by applying different kinds of measurements we will be also able to generate a pivot view, and these are the dynamic filters are provided. So based on these measurements and filters we will be easily able to generate different kinds of pivot views, right? And this is related to graph view. Suppose if I am grouping it by different customers, so we will be easily able to track them, right? And this is a line graph, a pivot chart we have also provided over here, right? And we have also provided the reports of this ticket. So by going to this the system will give us a perfect ticket analysis. So as per bifurcations by different kinds of support teams, right, as per we have already configured, and these are the different stages like new, waiting for permission, progress, done stage, like this, and in which there will be different counts are defined. So as per the configuration also, as per the measurements and the configurations, when we want to apply some more measurements or some more filters, we can be easily able to define these measurements over here, all right? And just same like this, from this ticket analysis we will be also able to see this graph view, like which kind of tickets are in which stages, Okay, if you want to also sort them, so this is Odoo 14 basic functionality. Now you can be also able to see it is a line chart. So based on this, a line chart will be also get generated. Of course, we can also apply different filters over here, right? And this is a pivot chart that is provided based on the whatever criteria and filters we have just assigned over here, right? So just same like this, we have provided as per discussed here. We have provided Helpdesk ticket management solutions to manage all these tickets, to manage different kinds of ticket management team, and to manage each and every operations easily with this dashboard, right? So that's all about our module. Thank you so much for watching this video.